G'day guys, another Friday Bushwalkers. We're out here at lovely Pearl Beach on the lovely Central Coast, and we're going to go for a walk to, maybe I might ask Gary where we're actually going.
One of the places we're heading for is the Arboretum, and apparently the Arboretum was set up in 1976, and the land was donated by Minard Crommelin, and it's actually named after her, the Crommelin Arboretum.
Very good.
Yeah, and she donated the land to Sydney University to do research into the fauna and flora of the place.
It's the 10th of May. It's another beautiful autumn day, a little cloudy, but the temperature's just perfect. Perfect for walking. We're really looking forward to the day.
Yeah.
Come along with us. If you can't get out in the bush, you're quite welcome to come along with us to check it out with us.
You can come too. So, there was a cockatoo on the ground here near this tree trying to climb this tree.
Yeah.
He had two cockatoo mates up in that tree.
Yeah. Yeah, up this one up here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were making noises to encourage this one up the tree to rejoin them.
Yeah.
And while we were standing here trying to figure out what to do with this poor, but this one was injured. Did I mention that? It had a broken wing.
You didn't mention that, no, but
that's why he was on the ground. The two cockatoos were sitting up in this tree, and a kookaburra came from this direction over our heads and attacked one of the cockatoos in the tree. And that cockatoo peeled off, and flew off that way.
Yeah.
And the kookaburra sort of peeled off and went that way. But I've never heard of a kookaburra attacking a cockatoo.
No. I just say, when we got back from our walk, we were a bit concerned how that cockatoo was going. So we ended up finding him in the bush over here.
On the other side of the road.
So I think he was hanging around this tree over here. So I actually grabbed him and we took him to the local vet who looked after him. I felt a bit sad because he was looking he was very stressed.
Yeah.
Now we've finished that sad story.
I know.
Sad or good, depends on where you want to look at it. But
Nature, isn't it?
Let's move on. So I was trying to remember how we can get to this waterfall, because that was a lovely waterfall, and I think with all this rain we've had lately, it'll be
flying.
It'll be going good. So we'll go and check out the waterfall first, and then we'll work out, and we'll go back to check out the Arboretum. Yeah. Anyway, let's move on. Just a little bit rocky here. We've got to climb over. The old Sydney red gum. Look at this. How beautiful is this?
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Ah, it's like a wonderland. How good this? How good this? Be careful, this is very, very clayey under here, very slippery. You don't want to end up in the drink. Here we are at the top of Pearly Ponds. The waterfall's down there, and we've got this lovely creek cascading down these rocks. How good's that, eh?
So what did I tell you? Perfect autumn day.
You're going to stay in and binge.
That's your backpack you right.
We're at Green Point, it's called, which is at the end of Pearl Beach, a little point at the end of Pearl Beach.
And we can see the mouth of the Hawkesbury.
You can see this is the mouth of the Hawkesbury, that's the ocean out there.
The entrance to
Box Head.
Brisbane Water.
Well, there's a mantra. Oh, there's Line Island. There's a lovely Pearl Beach. Beautiful. Well, here we are at Pearl Beach. We've got the lovely swimming pool here. The ocean pool, how good's this? Beautiful.
Laps.
Do a few laps. Unbelievable.
That's 25 metres, isn't it?
Probably.
That's a good size.
Hmm.
It is, isn't it?
It's coffee time. Thanks for a walk. Bye.